One cable, 5 devices? No, I'm not joking. Watch. This is the Volta Max. It all starts with these tiny magnetic tips. Snap, Android charging, laptop, full 240 watt power instant, tablet, done. Gaming gear, powered. Earbuds, ready. No searching, no swapping, no waiting. Just a strong magnetic connection and you are charging. The smart connector recognizes exactly what you're plugged into and delivers the right power automatically. This replaces all of those. One cable does it all. Kitchen, bedroom, office, car, everywhere you charge, one cable handles everything. They're currently running buy two, get one free plus free shipping. Get yours at voltacharger.com and stop swapping cables forever.